What's up, everybody? Orange County Mortgage Essentials is what I'm talking about tonight. First-time home buyers in Orange County tonight, entangled with the CDM and Cypress football game this evening here at Newport Harbor High School where CDM plays. And I thought I would talk about first-time home buyers tonight because your kids in high school right now could be the next first-time home buyer you deal with if they're going to go to college. Instead of sending them to the dorm year after year or renting an apartment with a bunch of frat boys or sorority girls, they could actually purchase a home in Texas and TCU by SMU. You know, it's always a good time to buy, just not always a good time to sell. So as you are a parent and thinking, how would this work? You could actually be
pass incomplete. Christian Brooks applying the pressure.
The non-occupant co-borrower. So the parents can qualify with their income. The student is the non-occupant co-borrower. They're what I call the anchor. So you get your anchor. You as a parent get to owner occupy a property, which means owner occupied lower rate than investment or second home, and with as little as 3% down. So that is a major hack that most parents don't know about. If your kid has decent credit, you know, it doesn't have to be that great. They basically just need the score because they're going to look at your trade lines. I'll tell you a little bit more in a second. We've got a field goal here. If you're wondering if your child would qualify for something like this, you can start with Credit Karma. You can start next maybe with a soft credit pull. We do a soft tri-merge credit pull to see what their scores are. You know, you would want, they probably have minimal trade lines, but you know, anything, they basically just need the score because the DU, the Fannie Mae and the Freddie Mac are going to go off of your trade lines as the parent. And that's going to be the bulk of the qualification because they're going off of you. So they're going off of your income. The child is the occupant because the parents don't live in the college town and work in the college town, so it would be considered a commute. So it's wide open, almost like FHA loans and fourplexes that I talk about in other videos. We're gonna go back, watch a little bit of the game. CDM's winning, Corona Del Mar versus Cypress, 21.
And it's Russell Weir with a touchdown.
It's halftime at the Newport Harbor, well, it's actually Corona Del Mar and Cypress here at Newport Harbor High School in Newport Beach. I gotta say, the quarterback for Cypress is amazing. That guy he was faking people out running. He is so good and so fun to watch. CDM is winning, Corona Del Mar. And back to my first-time home buyer guide that I was talking about. So I was speaking about first-time home buyers, kids going to college, you know, how parents can utilize that. You can do that with FHA, you can do that with VA and conventional as well, as long as it's not multiple units like a 3 or a 4 unit. You can do a non-owner occupant on a duplex, just not a triplex or a fourplex. They get a little trickier on 3 and 4 units, but other first-time home buyer programs that are available, the CalHFA is the #1 zero down payment program that is available in California, but there are definitely some caveats to it. It's called borrower paid. The lender does not get paid their 2% comp or whatever it is that they're charging from the interest rate on that type of loan. So typically all mortgage brokers are charging 2% in front, which means on the fee sheet like it's a buy down, but that's how the company gets paid for that type of loan. There is no lender paid on the CalHFA mortgage down payment assistance loan. So you've got to get seller credit, max 3 on conventional and 6% on FHA, which makes FHA typically the route everybody wants to take because they can get a credit to pay everything, because you have to basically add 2% to your closing costs on that borrower paid program. So it's not all wine and roses, everything that you think. Lots of people think that it can come in with nothing, and that's not the case.